video is about Janu Sirsasana, or head of the knee pose. Hi, my name is Jessie, and today we're going to go in depth about how you can do a good Janu Sirsasana. And to begin, we're going to just line ourselves up with the long edge of the mat. Start by stretching out this left leg and bending the right leg. One of the poses, one of the props, that other P word, you may need is a strap. And this can help you get into the posture. Some people are able to completely fold forward over their leg. Not everybody can, especially if you're a beginner. It's okay. Just honor your body wherever you are. Let go of any judgment, expectations, and competition. Not only with other people, but with yourself. Sometimes you are a lot more flexible than you are other days. So just be kind to yourself and honor where you're at. So we want to leave this left leg stretched out. Take this right foot, put the sole of the foot up against the inner thigh. We can make sure that the hips are lined up with the short side of the mat. If you need your strap, right now you can bend that left leg and just take the strap, put it around the ball of the foot. And you want to take your belly button, your navel, line it up with about the mid thigh on this left leg. And turning, rotating, you can take this left hand on the ground and maybe just walk this right hand forward, bringing yourself down, lengthening through the torso, really working to push this left thigh into the floor, opening up this right leg. This is head of the knee pose, not head to the knee. It is actually referring to the head of this knee, the bent one. It's a really excellent hip opener. It's good for stretching the spine. Just fold forward, lifting from the pelvis or the pubis to the sternum, not from the hips. Grounding through the sit bones. If you're not familiar with your sit bones, you can actually take the flesh from your hips and move the flesh from your buttocks away so that you can get more grounded in your sit bones. Just slowly, gently, gradually fold forward. Maybe taking this left hand, pushing yourself further forward. If you're able to, grab your big toe, pull yourself forward. Do not round the spine in order to get further forward. That is why we're lengthening from here to here. We're kind of lifting up out of the posture as we fold forward. One way that I teach this is to lift your arms up because that helps to lengthen the spine as we fold forward. So pick your poison, whatever suits you best. Grounding through the back of that left leg, grounding through that right leg as well. Relax and release. You can hold this posture anywhere from 1 to 3 minutes. The key to yoga is to allow yourself to sink into the posture. Reach through the left heel as well. That can help you lengthen, ground that leg into the floor. Good job. Slowly come back up and switch sides. Stretch the right leg out. Perhaps use a strap. Bend the left leg. Just put the left sole of the foot up against the inner thigh. Have that right leg straight out in front of you. Activate the foot. So when we activate the foot, so notice my foot here. That is not active. When you activate the foot, you pull it in so that you're stretching the muscles in the back of the leg. You want to reach through the heel, pull the ball of the big toe, reach through the ball of the big toe, pull the pinky toe back towards you. So that really gives you a better stretch in yoga. So if you need the strap, by all means use it. Maybe move the flesh out of the way from your sit bones and just line the belly button up with your mid thigh. Maybe You can take this right hand onto the mat to help push yourself more into a twist and lengthen from the pubis bone to the sternum. Lift up, fold forward. Maybe wrap your fingers around your big toe. If you're able to, you may be able to completely fold forward. Some people have really good mobility. Just relax and release into the posture. On your in-breath, create some space in your back. This will allow you to fold further forward into the posture. Keep grounding the back of that thigh into the mat. Lifting up through the sternum. We don't want to round our low back as we do this pose. Making that heel active, feeling a deep stretch in the hamstring and the quadricep. But we're looking for a hedonic point. That's a new term that I learned this week. It's the cusp of pleasure and pain. And that's really what we're going for in yoga, is the hedonic release. We don't want to just go in and move through it without getting a good stretch and a good release. Slowly come out of it. Well done. Maybe bring the hands back behind you, open up the chest, let the head fall back, do a little counter pose. Well done. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you loved this video and I hope you got a lot out of it. Until we meet again, you can check me out on Instagram. You can like, subscribe, share this video. I really hope to reach a lot of people so that they can stay fit, stay well, and have a better life. May love and light be yours. Namaste.